Namaskaram. According to the Trayopasthamba science, the three major factors that influence a healthy life include practicing discipline in ahara, which is food, 2. Nidra, which is sleep, and 3. Bramhacharya, which is celibacy. Food nourishes the body and provides vital energy. If we are mindful of the quantity and the quality of food we eat, we can avoid multiple ailments. Let us understand some important factors to be considered when choosing our food. First, the food we consume should be slightly unctuous. Ghee is the best option as it stimulates the digestive fire and nourishes all the tissues and the sense organs. Second, food should always be consumed fresh and hot while it remains of a satvik quality, which makes it easily digestible. Third, the place where the food is prepared and consumed should be hygienic. The person who prepares the food should maintain their own hygiene. Fourth, how the food is presented also matters as it stimulates the salivary glands and the digestive fire. Next, Kala Bhojanam Arogya Karanam, which means eating food on time can ward off many diseases. Next, quantity of food to be consumed varies for each individual depending on their digestive capacity and age. But in general, 1/3 of the stomach should have food, 1/3 should have water, and 1/3 should be left empty for the movement of vata. Next, food should always be prepared and consumed with a calm mind that is devoid of anger, fear, or worries, as these emotions tend to block the gastric secretions, causing acidity and indigestion. Eat seasonal food that is in tune with your body type. Eat your food sitting on the floor with folded legs and use your hands instead of using a spoon. Always chew your food thoroughly so it mixes well with the saliva, which helps in easing the digestive process. Until next time, Pranam.